In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Lagtrain Ink game. So as you can see right here, I have the Ink game wiki and we have in here Lagtrain, which is actually an emote. So under this, we can see here's different emotes like default dance, laugh, tactical espionage, objection, gunfire, beach share, monkey spin, and the likes. So if you want to get the log train right there, you can see it from here as well. Here's what the lag train looks like. So you can obtain it if you have 125 million won in store, and you can just head over and then try to purchase it from the store itself. So here is what the lag train looks like. It's an available emote that you can purchase directly into the game. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out with everything you need. Thank you so much for watching.